Hi my dears, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? All are fine? Okay. Then today we are going to discuss the exercise part of ABC to Cambridge, and we want to take our new chapter, but which is that when I set out for Leonis also today. Okay. Then here, inshallah, I will give you the question answers through WhatsApp. I think simple question answers I will give you through your WhatsApp, our WhatsApp. Then all of you take page number 106. Page number 106. 106. In that we have to write, fill in the blanks in the sentence below using the appropriate forms of the words given in the following box. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below using the appropriate forms of the words given in the following box. Gate, succeed, chair, travel, pain, draw, true. Listen. I met a dash from an anti-plant. Yes, I met a traveler. I met a traveler. I need special dash in mathematics. What we need? Special guidance. Special guidance. I can't count the number, the times I have failed in the subject. Third one, the gate called Stephen Hawking a worthy dash to Isaac Newton. Worthy successor. Worthy successor. His other problems paled, P-A-L-E-D, paled into insignificance beside this unforeseen mishap. The meeting was dashed by the youngest member of the board. The meeting was chaired. The meeting was chaired. C-H-E-A-I-R-E-D. Chaired by the youngest member of the board. Some people say yours truly when they informally refer to themselves. Yours truly. Then I wish it had been a drawn mat. D-R-A-W-N. Drawn mat. D-R-A-W-N. Then all of you listen. We use look at the following words. Walk stick. We are using walking stick leg. Now the 6 pouch words, such words using the words given in the box. Read session. Reading session. Then smile face. Smiling face. Revolving chair. Walking tool. Dancing doll. Winning chance. Then use all or both in the blanks. Tell your partner why you chose one or other. All of you listen. He has 2 brothers. Both are lawyers. All are lawyers. No. Both are lawyers. More than 10 persons called. All of them wanted to see you. They all cheered the team. Dash her parents are teachers. All her parents. No. Both her parents are teachers. How much have you got? Give me all of it. Then we want to complete each sentence using the right form of the adjective given in brackets. My friend has one of the fastest car on the road. Fastest. This is the story I have ever read. Superlative aanu. This is the story. This is the most interesting story I have ever read. What you are doing now is dash than what you did yesterday. Comparison ആണ്. Easier. Yes. Easier. E-A-S-I-E-R. Easier. Comparative degree അല്ലേ? Yes. Ramesh and his wife are both short. He arrived dash as usual. He arrived late as usual. Even the chief guest came earlier than he did. Earlier than he did. Okay, my dears. Then all of you take page number 108. We want to write in a notice for school notice board. Writing a notice for the school notice board. Step 1. Discuss why notices are put up on the notice board. What kinds of notice you lately see in your board? Everything. I know that we know how to write a notice. Inshallah. Then surely it has one message. Notice എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ പരത്തി എഴുതുന്നതല്ല, അതിൽ എന്തായാലും എന്തുണ്ടാവും, ഒരു മെസ്സേജ് ഉണ്ടാവും. Okay, then surely it's one just like others. നല്ലൊരു സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ, സ്കൂളിന്റെ നെയിം എഴുതും. Here we have one question. Then if you lost anything or anything, surely notice എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, here we have some description about everything. Then suppose you have lost or found something on the campus. What have you lost or found? That should be in our notice. Notice-ൽ എല്ലാ വിവരങ്ങളും എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ. Everything should be there in that notice. Then how we can write one notice? Okay, I will give you one example. Just think that if your book lost somewhere, you don't know where is it, then surely it will be in notice. അത് നമ്മൾ നോട്ടീസിൽ ചെയ്യില്ല, നോട്ടീസിൽ കൊടുക്കും എന്ത്, നമ്മളുടെ എന്ത് ബുക്ക് കാണില്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താണ്, how we can നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും കൊടുക്കുക, ഒരു ബുക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു അത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ നോട്ടീസ് കൊടുക്കും. all of you listen, how we can അല്ലേ, മെയിൻ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് കൊടുക്കും, സ്കൂളിന്റെ നെയിം കൊടുക്കണം അല്ലേ. just think that ABC school, പേജിന്റെ നടുവിലായിട്ട് ABC school, you should write ABC school. Then below it's what is the notice, right? Notice. Then what is the topic? Lost. Okay, then surely we want margin and everything for our notice. Listen, my dears. Then we want to put date, for 25 December 2020. Okay, then all of you listen, how we can I have lost, how we can I have lost my book named, what is that, named golden, named any name, golden English gate English guys. I lost it. Surely you can expect one question. Okay, I lost it somewhere. Listen, somewhere in the school premises. School premises the founder is requested kindly to give it what? To give it back to me. Back to me. Okay, then I shall be very grateful. I shall be very grateful. Okay, then your name. What is that? Shyam or anything? Shyam. Then class. Okay, this is a format of our notice. Simple ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവ് ആണ്, പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ മനസ്സിലാവണം. അത് ഒത്തിരി നേരം വായിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ സമയമൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാകാൻ പാടില്ല അല്ലേ? Then it's one example for notice. Then surely you want to write in your notebook. Inshallah you can expect this kind of a question in your exam. Okay, all of you write speedily. Completed. Okay, my dears, then we can move our next chapter. When I set out for the Lyoness. When I set out for the Lyoness. It's a simple poem by Thomas Hardy. Then all of you read the first paragraph of your poem. As a young apprentice architect, British poet and the novelist Thomas Hardy once visited a parish to supervise the restoration of a church. On his return from Paris, people noticed two things about him: a new glow in his eyes and a crumpled piece of paper sticking out of his coat pocket. That paper, it is not recorded in one of his biographies, contained the draft of a poem. You are going to read that very poem inspired by a visit to a place which the poet calls Lyoness. Okay, then all of you listen here. Thomas Hardy, actually Lyoness is a place in southeast West England. Okay, then within that it is submerged in the sea. Okay, then here Thomas Hardy, an apprentice architect, and our British poet and novelist went to supervise the restoration of a church. ഒരു ചർച്ചിന്റെ റെസ്റ്റോറേഷന് പുനരുദ്ധാരണത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പോവാണ് ആര്? തോമസ് ഹാർഡി ലിയോണസിലേക്ക് പോവാണ്. Then what happened? When he returned from there, a special glow upon his face and also one crumpled sheet of paper in his pocket. And actually the poem is in that pocket. Okay, all of you listen. What happened to him? Then when I set out for the Lyoness, read my dears, 100 miles away, the rain was on the spray and the starlight lit my lonesomeness. Listen, all of you listen. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away, the rain was on the spray and the starlight lit my lonesomeness. Listen, who is the speaker here? Thomas Hardy, the poet. When I set out for Lyoness, when I started, set out here means started. When I started my journey to Lyoness, എന്താണ്? Which was 100 miles away. Which is 100 miles away? The Lyoness was 100 miles away. Then the rain was on the spray and the starlight lit my lonesomeness. What is the meaning of rain here? Rain here means frost. Frost. F-R-O-S-T. Cold ille. Adana. F-R-O-S-T. You should write the word meaning. F-R-O-S-T. Frost. What happened? It was very cold then. Okay, when he started to travel to Lyoness, that is 100 miles away from Paris, then he understood that it is very cold. And the leaves were covered with frost. Everything covered with frost. അല്ലേ? നല്ല തണുത്ത രാജ്യം എന്തായാലും മരത്തിന്റെ മുകളിലൊക്കെ എന്തുണ്ടാവും? Frost അല്ലേ? Yes. And it was lonely journey in the light of stars alone. Who only with him? The starlight only lit. Understood? He was alone and only with that starlight he went to set out Lyoness. Understood, my dears? Read. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away, the rain was on the spray. Spray means foliage ആണ്. Foliage എന്താണ്? Leaves അല്ലേ? Foliage എന്നാണ് ഇലകളൊക്കെ കൂടി നിൽക്കുന്നത്. Yes, foliage. Then the poet started his journey. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away, what would be chance at Lyoness while I should sojourn there? Listen dears. By chance here means happen. Should write the word meaning. Okay. By chance means here happen. Then sojourn means stay on it. What is that? Stay. Then all of you listen. Okay, actually Hardy set out for Lyoness. That place was 100 miles away from here. Then when the poet started his journey, what happened? I should sojourn there. What would be chance at Lyoness while I should sojourn there? Then nobody could predict. What its meaning? Nobody could predict the happenings during his stay there. Understood? അവിടെ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് അവിടെ നിന്ന് സംഭവിക്കുക എന്നുള്ള nobody couldn't predict. Okay, I told you that sojourn, stay. Then here, what is that? While I should sojourn, what would be chance at Lyoness? When I reach Lyoness, ലിയോണസിൽ എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് അവിടെ സംഭവിക്കാൻ പോകണമെന്നുള്ളത് nobody couldn't predict. ആർക്കും എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല? predict ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല. Understood, my dears? Read again. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away, what would be chance at Lyoness while I should sojourn there? Okay. Then, no prophet dress declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess, what would be chance at Lyoness while I should sojourn there? ആർക്കും predict ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല. ആർക്കൊക്കെ കഴിയില്ല? പ്രോഫിറ്റിന് കഴിയില്ല. ദെൻ ഡ്രസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ആർക്കിക്, പണ്ടത്തെ വേർഡാണ് ഡ്രസ്റ്റ്. പാസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഓഫ് ഡെയർ ആണ്. ഡെയർ മീൻസ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ മീനിങ് ഓഫ് ഡെയർ? ചാലഞ്ച്. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് അവിടെ നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നതെന്ന് ആർക്കും അറിയാൻ കഴിയില്ല. വിസാർഡ് മീൻസ് മജീഷ്യൻ. വിസാർഡ് മീൻസ് എന്താണ്? മജീഷ്യൻ. ഗസ് മീൻസ് reckon. Right, my dears? RECKON. reckon. Bichance means old archaic words ആണ്. Old English ആണ്. എന്താണ്? happen. Then all of you listen. Okay, during the point stay at the chart, sometimes something happened there, and it was however something worth which no one had expected. A prophet could not have predicted it, nor a magician could have guessed it. ഒരു പ്രോഫിറ്റിനെ പ്രെഡിക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൻ്റെ അപ്പുറം ഒരു മജീഷ്യൻ ഗസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൻ്റെ അപ്പുറത്ത് എന്തോ ഒന്ന് ആർക്ക് സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്? Here our Thomas Hardy. Listen. No prophet dressed declared, nor did the wisest wizard guess what would bechance at Lyoness while I should sojourn there. Okay, what happened here? All of you listen. No prophet just declared. No one. That means what happened to me after the journey to Lyoness, no one can predict, even no prophet and no wise wizard. അത്രയും ബുദ്ധിയുള്ള ഒരു മജീഷ്യനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പ്രോഫിറ്റിന് പോലും എന്താണ് പ്രെഡിക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയാത്ത ഒന്ന് ആർക്ക് സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്? To this Thomas Hardy. All of you listen. During the poet's stay at that church, something happened there. Okay, it was however something which no one had expected. ആരും എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യാത്ത ഒരു കാര്യം. A prophet could not have predicted it, nor a magician could have guessed it. Okay, then all of you listen. When I returned from Lyoness with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless. When I returned from Lyoness with magic in my eyes. I told you that a special glow upon his face, in eyes also, a crumbled sheet of paper also in his pocket when he returned from Lyoness. Okay, what happened? Returned means came back. Came back. Magic means magic. Glamour എന്ന് പറയാം അല്ലേ? Glamour. 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 Marked means noticed. Then here mute means silent. Surmise. What is the meaning of surmise? Conjecture. Then what is the meaning of another? I told you that some speciality. Okay, and radiance, glow. Okay, rare. What is the meaning of rare? Uncommon. Okay, then all of you, fathomless. Means what is the meaning of fathomless? So deep that can be measured. And then we can feel. All of you write, so deep that the depth can be measured. And then നമുക്ക് അളക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്ത അത്രയുള്ള ഒരു ആഴം, ഒരു തീവ്രത. Understood? Okay, deepness. Listen. When I returned from Lyoness with a magic in my eyes. Thomas Hardy. Okay, the Hardys. All marked with a mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless. When I returned from Lyoness with magic in my eyes. Listen, what happened? Here, when the poet returned from that church, there was a glamour on his eyes. Understood? തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ്? ഒരു ഗ്ലാമർ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഐസിൽ. All the people silently marked his rare glow. All the people silently marked. Surmise that those people who looking him. Then glow and bottomless depth in his eyes. ഒരു പ്രത്യേക ഗ്ലോയും ഒരു ബോട്ടംലെസ് എന്ത് ഡെപ്തും. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ബോട്ടംലെസ് ഡെപ്ത് ഇൻ ഈസ് ഐസ്, ഒരു നല്ല എന്താണ് ഒരു ഗ്ലോയും ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത എന്തുണ്ട്, ഒരു ബോട്ടംലെസ് ഡെപ്തും ഫീൽ ചെയ്തു. Okay, and this happened as he returned after supervising the restoration of the church. When it happened? After returning the supervising of the restoration of church. Understand? Read again. When I returned from Lyoness, with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless. When I returned from Lyoness, with magic in my eyes. Listen. When the poet returned from church, there was a glamour in his eyes. All the people silently marked this rare glow and bottomless depth in his eyes. This happened as he returned after the supervising the restoration of the church. Okay, my dears. Okay, then all of you read the poem again. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away, the rain was on the spray and the starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for Lyoness, 100 miles away, what would be chance at Lyoness while I should sojourn there? No prophet durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess, what would be chance at Lyoness while I should sojourn there. When I returned from Lyoness, with magic in my eyes, all marked with the mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless. When I returned from Lyoness, with magic in my eyes. Okay, then all of you take the question answers. In the first answer, find the words that show that it was late evening. That it was very cold. Give me which is that? It was very cold. Rain. Then it was late evening. Starlight. Then traveler was alone. Lonesomeness. Then something happened in Lyoness. It was improbable ano, impossible ano, unforeseeable ano. Yes, unforeseeable. We couldn't see. Unforeseeable. Then, which is that line? Pick out the lines from stanza 2. Justify your answer. No prophet durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. Then, what would be chance at Lyoness? Then question 3. Read the line stanza 3 and this implies the following. Everyone noticed something that they made guesses but didn't speak a word. Then give me, what is that? All marked with a mute surmise. ചുറ്റുമുള്ള ആൾക്കാര് സൈലന്റ് ആയിട്ടാണ് അത് നോക്കിക്കണ്ടത്. Right. Another. Now read the line and refers that they noticed. Give me. Yes, my radiance, rare and fathomless. That 2 lines. Which are the lines? All marked with a mute surmise. And my radiance, rare and fathomless. That also. Okay, 2 lines. Okay, we completed that poem and the exercise parts of our visit to Cambridge. Study well, my dears. Don't postpone anything. Then study today itself and write notes also and send me today. Okay, thank you.